see walk tennis. Yeah, see walk tennis. Bang, boom, what you gon' do?
Grazie.
Goodbye.
Arrivederci.
What up, party people? In this video I will show you some C-walk moves that you probably don't know yet. So we start with the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's actually quite easy. It's a V-step, but with both feet always closed. We just switch the positions from the toes over the heels, like heels on toes, weight on toes, heels, weight on heels, toes, weight on toes, heel twist, okay? From the side or from the back, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the one side, we will end with a heel twist. When on the other side, we will end with a toe twist, like 1 again, 2, 3, and 4. Boom, bounce. Back, 2, 3, 4. Give it a bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce. Okay, like we got the gangster party, gangster party, gangster party. Easy. We start with a closed V-step and bring our left foot to the back, and the right heel will twist to the inside.
Goodbye.
The left foot will stand quite straight to you, not like the open V-step, because if your the left foot would stand like this, you couldn't make the next heel in twist. It wouldn't work. That's why we make just a little step. We don't twist the left foot to any side. So it just makes a natural back step. Then we bring the right foot to the back, and the left foot will now twist completely to the inside, the heel. Have you seen? We start 1, 2, and from here 3, 4. We start with a closed V-step. We start with the right side, bring our heels to the inside with a step, with a twist, and the left foot makes the back step. Boom. From here, the left foot will make a total in twist with the heel, like this, while the right foot steps to the back. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this feels a little bit unnatural because the foot that is in the back will stand like not really diagonal, not really straight, like something in between. So you have the space to make a complete heel twist while the right foot steps to the back. And then, again, boom, 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 boom. Okay, a lot of booms, but I hope you got it. So from the back, step, 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 step. Look close on my feet. From right now, while I make the back step, the left foot will make the complete heel in twist. So take care of your knees if you have some injuries or some problems with it. But actually this is the move. And the last move that you should know is the reverse heel toe twist. I often do this in my video, but a lot of people aren't doing it right now. So I hope after watching this video, this will change. So we start with the diagonal position, right foot on toes, left foot on heels, and twist to the inside. Instead of twisting to the outside, we twist to the inside. That's why we're not standing with the right foot to the left, we're standing with the right foot to the right. to twist the toes to the left side and the heels, the left heel, to the right side, with the weight on the center, on my right heel and on my left toes. Boom. From the back, boom. Try it again. Practice it sometimes, this move. Boom. Okay? Step, weight on right heel, left toe, twist in. If you're here, you can hop and switch. You can hop and switch the legs to make this move to the inside. Hop, switch, hop, switch, hop, switch, hop, switch, hop, switch. Again. Take your arms up, left side, and we bring them here. Switch feet positions, twist, switch, twist, 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 twist. Try as would you grab something to give you this direction, to spin your body. Boom, boom. And if you got it, you can speed up. And these are probably the 3 most unknown C-Walk moves or C-Walk related moves that you don't know. And if you want to be ready for 2025, you should maybe actually know something or heard of them and maybe try them once if you don't want to miss a little bit, I would say, like dance event that is coming globally after everybody watched the Super Bowl with Kendrick Lamar. So I hope to see you in the next videos. Show some love and don't forget just to don't do it anywhere, regardless where you live. Maybe in America and some place in the States, it's not like welcome everywhere. So pay attention that you don't throw any gang signs and don't do it in public places. Nevertheless, if you're not from there, if you're just celebrating the vibe all around hip hop, culture, dances, C-Walk and so on, just have fun and hope to see you in the next video. Only love and peace.
C-Walk that is. Yeah, C-Walk that is. Bang, boom, what you gon' do, girl?
Grazie.
Goodbye.
Arrivederci.